Hi, lady. I'm getting there. I'm trying. I'm alive. I'll do it again. Come here. Come here. Hubbard. Let's be real, you're not hitting 3 in a row.
Hell yeah!
Nah, I'll fight you for that one. I hit it on that second shot, I know that.
It was like already hit, but we must have pulled the trigger at the same time.
There we go.
I'll give it to you.
That's alright, you haven't shot one yet this year. How about this? Whoever's dog ends up with it.
Okay.
That bird, Dakota.
I wish my camera was on.
Good girl, bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. I think Dakota pushed it because it was right here in front of us. Alright. Baby. Freaking baby.
Yeah, I got that vibe. I'll take 3 of that.
I'll take a chicken any day. I don't care how old it is. There it is. No, it's not. Well, Hunter said hen. Right here.
Good job, dog. That was a great flush.
Noah's got it.
I got it.
I don't even think it's a young bird. It had a pretty long tail. Right here. Give. Nala. No. Last year's. Yeah.
Good dog.
Good dogs. Yeah, they did. Well, Dakota flipped about 90 last time she came by me and went straight back towards you. Well, second bird of the day. Heavy bird, but kind of a shortish tail. Good girls. That was like the most beautiful word that ever could have come out of your mouth. You said hen, and I was like, oh my god, I don't have to compete. Oh my gosh. I didn't even expect to get my gun up because it was right in front of you. Oh, it was only, even for me, it was maybe 15. Sexy. Yeah, I saw you got it cleaned up.
Yes, sir.
How'd she do that?
I feel like she said this to me before, but I didn't really guess.
Because I would love to learn it.
Take the everything out of your camera.
Uh-huh.
You pop in a computer, do whatever. You edit it. You export to your computer, and then you airdrop it.
Really?
Too bad you got a retarded phone.
Samsungs are way better. And no, rooster! Got up right in front of us. No bird. I saw its head last second. It must have been a young bird. Come on. Because I said hen at first and then I saw its head. Sorry, yeah. And then a pheasant just got up. It landed, it's about 50 yards that way and 100 in front of you. And I think it was a hen, but it just the deer hopped it up and it just went right back down. I think it was a hen. But there might be another one with it, you never know. What? Okay. Hen, I think. No, no, come here. Come here. I couldn't see its body, it was just a shape. It looked hen. It had kind of a long tail, but I'm getting tripped up because it seems like there's a lot of young roosters this year. Come on. Another bird. Don't miss it. Rooster, rooster, rooster! A lot of feathers came off that thing. Watch it. Dakota, come. I saw roughly where it went down. We'll go try and look for it on the way back. Rooster! Oh! Good shot, buddy. You hit it in the head at least.
I was on it for like about a second and a half.
You might run Boone right back through here because he flipped real hard right before that shot. Good shot, buddy. Good looking bird. Need help? You got it. I loved the basically simultaneous ooh. Oh, I saw it too, but you hit it. It looked like you hit it in the head. Yeah. Hen! Good girls. Come on, Dakota. No bird. No bird. Get over here now. Good dogs. Oh shit. Good girl. That's why Noah wouldn't come to you. Both of them were on that bird. Come on. Why are you ignoring me? On the bird. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here. Ah, they caught that wind for us, didn't they, Drake? There's like 4 right over there. So, nothing. They caught the wind real hard for us. They were coming fast. Yeah, they were. Come here, bud. Hen. Holy shit. Yeah, I could feel it. That's why I panic henned. Come here, Bubba. I didn't have to see your eyes, but I knew. On the bird.
In the name of sportsmanship, I couldn't not shoot the bird.
Yeah. No. Oh my god, she's chasing a hen. Okay, god damn it. Good girl. You tracked that bird for a long time.